So we're working on a 5.9 Cummins no start, and it will pop on ether, but it won't do anything. So we have a line cracked open here. Battery's too low for my flash, so deal with flashlight. All right, crank it for like 3 seconds. Okay, so no fuel. So now we want to crack the line into the injection pump so that we can see if we have fuel going in here, which we should have at a decently steady pressure. I do see some fuel seeping out, but bear with me on this horrible lighting. Somebody was supposed to go get lights and didn't. In the nice dry tow truck. All right, so that's open now. Same thing, 3 seconds of cranking.
Ready?
Yep. Okay, we have a little fuel movement, but not much. Go again. Okay. So now we move farther back. Alright, so let's see. Yeah, this filter's clogged. No, I know. New filter, this will be good. Good to go. I think that's the problem right there. Would be my, yeah. So, egg on our face for not having to spare one of these on hand, but holy fucking shit. Sometimes when they say that they just did the filter when they sold you the truck, they're full of shit. That's wild. There's your problem. Go with new filter and see what happens.